How to fix Gmail blocked for security reason. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Gmail. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this search for apps option. Here as you see, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Gmail. Open it when you found it like this, and then you have to go to storage option, click on clear cache. Don't click on clear data, guys. Go back and click also on force stop and click OK. And now you have to go to this option, permissions, and you will go to files and media, and you have to allow access to media only like this, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another videos.